This video explains how to install an optional 550 sheet tray onto a Xerox C410 Color Printer. The Xerox C410 Color Printer can support up to 3 optional paper trays, along with the standard 250 sheet tray. Tray 1 is the standard 250 sheet tray that comes with the printer. Optional 550 sheet trays are installed under the printer. If an optional 550 plus 100 sheet tray is installed as tray 2, the optional 550 sheet tray must stack underneath the optional 550 plus 100 sheet tray as tray 3 and tray 4. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to power off the printer. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. To prevent personal injury, 2 people must lift the printer. If the optional 550 plus 100 sheet tray is installed, lift the printer from the tray. Unbox and remove the packaging materials of the 550 sheet tray, then take out the numbers for the additional trays. If required, stack up to 1 to 3 optional 550 sheet trays. Then place the optional 550 plus 100 sheet tray over the 550 sheet tray. Place the printer over the optional 550 plus 100 sheet tray. Set the correct tray number. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer.